Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back again. I request you guys to watch uh, my previous videos on the same topic. I will provide you the link in the description. Please go through that first, then request you to watch this video. Let's continue where we left in our previous video. So we have an important field KStat. So this field refers referring that as a statistical. If any condition type or any steps like gross weight, net value before charge or before tax, excess duty, so whatever it may be, or any condition type, if we update the case stat as X for any of the steps in that XKOMV structure, then that particular record will become an statistical. If it is statistical, then the statistical value won't be added to the net value of that item, and yeah, it won't be posted at all to financial as well. So account key also won't be maintained, so it won't be posted to financial as well. So, I mean the relevant GL accounts. So net value KOMP net value will be updated whenever K stat is not equal to X. Then system tries to calculate subtotals. In the pricing procedure, we have 16 fields are there. Uh, One of them is subtotal field. Subtotal field will be used to that field value is used in further places of the code. It's kind of a local memory variable which will be store some value, and that value can be used in some other places. For example, credit management, if you want to update any prices to credit means, then the field is CMPRE, where we keep on updating that value. Based on that value only, the credit management, the credit check will happen based on that total value of the CMPRE. Like that, we have some other subtotal fields are there, XXWO, RKD, KZWI3, and WAVWR. You see here, in case of A, that is credit value, CMPRE updated based on this logic. And if it is B, then we are updating WVWR based on the condition category as B. So after calculating the condition a net value, that is KOMP NGWR, that value, the total clubbed value will be passed to KOMP net price. So KOMP net price is the total value of that item. After this, the logic for condition exclusion will be triggered based on that last price. Finally, there is one more user exit, that is user exit XKOMV button end. In the initial of this form, we have seen user exit XKOMV button init. At the end of this form, we see user exit XKOMV button end. So in this user exit also, if you want to update any prices based on any certain conditions, that can be written inside this user exit. Yeah, thank you.